All right, we're gonna have a little fun this morning. Rock solid V8 Survivor, full of original character, 1969 Chevy Sportvan 108, 10 Series half-ton deluxe, full of original style character and patina. It's absolutely ready for vintage outdoor sporting. We're gonna share a little 1969 Chevy print ad. Active families go for Sportvans around the town or across the country. Hunters, fishermen, families, and retired couples find Sportvan the ideal vehicle for creating their dream house on wheels. Begin with a wide range of dealer-installed accessories such as radio, below-eye rearview mirrors, and interior camping equipment. Then you may want to go all the way with a tent-covered patio, hardtop, retractable, or permanent camper hardtop, or a host of sleeping and cooking facilities to suit your fancy. Like we talked about in the opener, a lot of fun with this one. Good solid Survivor, full of original character. It's got its flaws, its character flaws. But anyway, it's a rock solid specimen. These are getting pretty hard to find. This would make a great individual camper for somebody that wanted to have some fun, go to car shows, maybe hang some curtains in it, that type of thing. We've had it up on the lift for you. The body's absolutely rock solid. There's no signs of rust anywhere. There's original rocker panels, that type of thing. It's finished in its original color. I believe at one time portions of it has been refinished, the original color, like the sides. I think the front is the original, roof's the original, that type of thing. So you're going to find a lot of character flaws. We're not going to point them out everywhere. As I cruise around here, you can catch the reflections, but that's what kind of makes this one fun. We've just recently put on a new set of Radar Renegade radial tires on it. They're 205/70 R15s all the way around. It has new wheel cylinders on it. Starts and run great. This is an original V8 Survivor. I believe it to be the original suffix code and build date on the engine itself. 307 V8, 2-barrel Rochester. Automatic transmission, 350. So fun to drive. These cab overs are really fun to drive because you have a different sense of wide open view when you're behind the wheel. It's fun to drive. We'll actually take you for a drive here. Kind of let you get a look in the windshield here. It's most certainly not perfect and not new, but that's what makes it fun. Good affordable level, collectible. Hang some fishing poles in it, throw a kayak on the top. Throw a sup board in the back. We have it up on the lift for you. No rust on it. Rockers, that type of thing. All original inner and outer. Nice original dash. These are, excuse me, original finishes inside. Give you a peek. It has a does not have the optional third seat in it. Lots of room to we'll get in the back there and talk about that. Both sides have these windows midship that open up for venting. You could actually put a roof air on one of these and electric 12 volt. They have them nowadays. When you open up this door, got the doors open here for you. Little step comes out, mechanical. Door panels. Deluxe Series, I believe, had all the trim that's inside this one. Side panel trim, so it's pretty much upholstered off. It's got a headliner in it. The battery itself is down here underneath the mat in a floor. It's got a brand new battery in it. We'll just keep cruising around instead of shutting up the doors as we go. Down here, again, hang on to the undercarriage video. We cover a lot. Runs well, drives nice. We actually did a cold start for you. Look at the roof here. Little ding here. Ding on the back door here. think at one point it had, it was a mild commercial service vehicle. There's a little bit of lettering there, and you can catch just a hint underneath the lime green along the sides if you really look, but not generally noticeable. All the glass is really nice on it. Sportvan 108 Deluxe. Has no radio. Has a aerial if you want to install a radio. Be fun to put a radio in there, just the original crackly AM. Factory VIN tags are where they belong. Underneath these floor mats are all rock solid floor pans. Much the same all the way through. Not modified, original steering wheel. We'll get in here. As mentioned, we did a cold start this morning before we ever pulled it out of the shop. Odometer says 60,289. I believe that could be possibly correct. But we're calling it as exempt unknown. Still relatively cold this morning. We just pulled it out. Take it for a drive. Give you kind of a road feel. I'll get it up to speed here in a minute. Okay, we're getting on the highway and going to take it up to speed for you. Easy to steer. I'm one-handed steering it. A few things. Fan blower speed goes on like it's supposed to for the heater. Turn the headlights on for you to take a peek there. Wipers work. I believe those are 2-speed. Headlights on. We'll go ahead and turn the left turn signal on. Marker lights on. Left turn signal. Headlights are on. Right blinker. Marker. Right blinker, left blinker. All right, we're in the shop here. We're going to go do a cold start for you. Exhaust manifolds, engine. It's cold. Temp on the bottom, without much to see the exhaust. All right, we'll take you around the outside here at an eye level view. See, these are all original. There is no rust on this van. Tires are brand new, 2024 date code. Radar Renegade 205/70 R15. It's got character and patina like we talked about all the way around. Original rockers here. Starting out on the driver's side. Moving around here, obviously you see dings here and there. One on the gate right there. Got character. No rust at all. Some inexperienced attendant tried to lift on this side with a post style lift. This comes out, it's a mechanical gate step. There's a ding here and a ding here. Same thing up front, but there are no dings on the other side. That could be easily pulled down. Again, no rust. Get you the undercarriage here, give you a good look. Rock solid type specimen. All you see there is surface. All the tin's very nice. Fuel tank back here. Up into the sheet metal here is very nice. Dual exhaust, exiting rear, right and left. That's all new in it. There's new wheel cylinders, front and rear. New shocks, front and rear. Thing runs and drives nice. See up in the wheel well here, very nice. Standard style dual exhaust, factory V8, 307 V8. You'll see the inner rockers. Took you around the outside already. We extended the step so you could see up in here how all the sheet metal's solid and original. Turbo 350 automatic transmission with a upgraded aluminum pan on it with a drain so you could service it easier. All the shielding's in place that cools and brings air to these units. See up front it has new shocks, wheel cylinders, and of course these tires we talked about already are all brand new. Wheel well here. Up in here, driver's side, dry. These are heavy duty factory springs as per the build sticker in the back of the van. We'll turn around here and share the cooling pan on these. And take one more quick pass through. These have a splash pan down at the bottom that draws air and blows it towards the radiator for extra cooling on these. The engine's compartmentalized in the truck van. Bottom side, what we believe to be suffix and date code correct. Original 307 V8 in it. Factory style starter. Nothing fancy. Factory exhaust manifolds. Go back, kind of give you a look here as we return the other direction. Thanks for listening to me. If you're looking for a solid G10 van, this will do it.